Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and I'm here today in the Oblivion Remastered to show you how to easily level sneaking inside the beginning opening tutorial of the game, where you're inside this cave with the Emperor, trying to escape from assassins. And when you reach the point where you've got these hanging skulls and this door that lets you exit the Imperial substructure into these natural caves, you'll go down this hill, this little ramp, and you'll be presented with a little tutorial on how sneaking works, and there'll be like this barrel and stuff over here. And around the corner, let's make sure we're sneaking, is going to be a cave, and then if we kind of poke our head around here, there's a goblin right there. So he's not going to move unless we walk over there. So what you can do is you can shove yourself into this corner right here and then hit the auto walk button. And I know it doesn't look like we're moving at all, but as far as the game is concerned, we are currently moving by hitting the Q button. The auto walk is on, and you can tell because our cursor, the two little triangles in the center there, kind of get a little bit larger. That means we're making a little bit of noise, and you can literally just sit right here and like AFK for a while to level sneaking all the way up to 100. Now, if you're not on PC, if you're playing this on a console, you can just attach a rubber band to your controller's joystick and do the exact same thing. Now, the alternative that you have, if this doesn't float your goat and you want something more interactive, is you can finish the tutorial and you can teleport back to the jail or like the prison, and I will show you how to level by lockpicking a guy who can't really do anything or follow you or like leave the actual prison at all. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a really easy way to level sneak inside of Oblivion at the beginning of the game. I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.